Able to see my screen, Chaitra?
Yeah, I can see a screen.
Okay.
That is for environment, how to create an atom. There you have new button beside filter C. No, not there. On the left side, filter search atoms. Yeah, there you can say atom and choose the cloud wherever you want. Yeah, that is fine. And you can name the atom. Okay, so click cancel. And how do you link? Let's say, for example, you have this prod in env and you have prod atom. Okay, how do you link that prod env to prod atom?
By giving classification, you have to select prod or production or test.
Yeah, got it. Okay. And how do you create a folder and to build your own integration?
Yeah, by create new.
Yeah, no, not there. That is for opening the canvas
Okay.
to build a new one. I'm asking to create folder, like say for example, there you have TCS process like one, right? Like that. How do you create a folder?
You mean subfolders, Chaitra?
Yeah, yeah. No, click on the arrow mark beside the TCS.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, new component, new folder or rename permissions. Okay. Like that, you can create a folder. Okay, inside that folder, you can add any components you want or the connectors. Okay, and yeah, how do you deploy a process? No, that is not how you do. Let's say deploy that one only, SFTP only. Okay, deploy this new process.
I have to create packaged component.
Yeah, correct. You have to create that package component and deploy the component. You can always add change versions and the notes. Yeah. Okay, cancel. And yeah, how do you see the deployed processes? I mean, let's say for example, this service has run, and how do you see the logs of that services? Yeah, right. You can add filters there, and you can add timings, and you can add atom filter or the service name filter or process ID, execution ID, whatever filter you want, you can add. And how do you refresh this page? Yeah. And how do you convert that into Excel format? The whole data. Yeah. They're done. Yeah. Okay. What can I answer? Okay. Is there anything else you can ask? You need to ask. Okay.
No, Chaitra. If you ask, I can show you. Third, I can.
You have pretty much learned like the basics, everything you know.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll be giving you the technical assessment, like how do you uh, use the shapes? What are the uses of the shape?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, Shakti, one more thing. If you are, like, say, for example, you are getting some data from Salesforce connector
Okay.
and you have to load that data into a database, Oracle database.
Okay.
Which shape can be used? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Chaitra, you
Which
can.
shape can be used?
From Salesforce.
Yeah. No, from
Oh,
like say from any the connectors, you need to load the same exact data into another connector.
Chaitra, your voice is breaking. Chaitra.
Sorry, am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's say for example, you are loading some data like order ID tables. Let's keep it as table. Okay, the
Okay.
SQL tables. You are adding or loading the data from one connector to another connector, the table data. Which
Okay.
step, which shape you use to do that function?
Same thing.
You need to see no, you need to add the connectors which data should be loaded, and you are adding a map step between that and doing the mappings.
Okay.
Okay, it is converting the document from one format to another format. Map shape. You
Map
should
shape. Yeah.
use map
Map
shape.
shape.
Yeah.
Actually, I didn't get your question, Chaitra. Like that.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I put it in the wrong words, maybe. Okay. And what does, I mean, try catch, what does that do?
Uh, I mean, catch will catch all the errors in the try block. Try is a process which is, I mean, integration process running.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Where it is recommended to place the try catch block?
It should be before the main process. I mean, any of the
Okay.
execution of
Yeah.
the main.
Before the main process, or wherever you feel the errors will should be
Yeah.
logged or errors might occur, there you should place the try catch block.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Which is the permanent shape on canvas where which you cannot delete?
Start.
Yeah. Nice. Very good. Sir. Okay, that's it from my end. Anything from your end, you can ask. You have any doubts?
No, Chaitra.
Okay, are we good to close the session for
Yeah.
today?
Yeah, sure, Chaitra. Chaitra, one more request is like, please share this assessment, Chaitra, so that I can.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'll do it today only. I mean, tomorrow morning you'll have the assessment only.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I will not be giving you the answers previously, and try to do
Even
it on your own, because don't Google it and all, because you will find answers on Google.
I
So
won't do it because I
yeah,
want
once
to.
you have completed, yeah, see, once you have completed the exam and you have, I mean, I'll not be judging you on anything on score and all, because I am nobody to judge you on all.
Okay.
So once you complete the assessment, you will only get to know where you're standing, and try to Google the questions then, and try the find the answers, like what went wrong.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Okay, Shakti. Then
Okay.
are we good to end the session?
Yeah, Chaitra.
If there is any feedback with these 2 weeks, no, we'll have another 2 weeks of classes, I guess. Yeah,
Okay.
it's 20 days. Another 2 weeks of classes will be there.
Okay.
So, is there any feedback that you would like to give me so that I can improve?
No, Chaitra. Actually, it's very good. The interaction should be good. We are good.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Are you feeling lively in this class, or else you are feeling very bored?
No, Chaitra.
Okay. The amount of examples I am giving you is sufficient, or should I increase the number of examples to explain a concept?
Fine, Chaitra, but it should be like if there is any screenshot while discussing with examples, it will be good to
Yeah.
understand
Okay.
for me. So maybe.
Because the one thing is that this training institute is not providing me any resources, okay? Because
Okay.
I can't use the personal, my company's resources to show you, because that is confidential, you understand, right? That is the problem. I'm trying to find the screenshots from Google,
Okay.
and whatever you are, I mean, whatever I can show you on this Boomi UI, I am trying to show you.
Okay.
And whatever I'm trying to find the screenshots from Google. I can send you. But see, today I sent you the test atoms screenshot only because you were asking that. That is confidential, but still I sent you the jar files.
Okay.
That is like test atom, so that is not important. That is not from prod atom. So I sent you that. This is from Google only.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Shakti. That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it, Chetan.
Thanks, Shakti.
Thanks, Chetan.
Bye.
Thanks.
If there is any feedback, please write to me. I would never mind reading your feedback and improving myself. There is always room for improvement for everybody.
Yeah.
So I will be open to your say your what is that
Feedback.
yeah, I'm feedback or the improvements what I should do. I am always open to that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine, Chetan. Only thing is, if you have option to explore in this in my account, it will be.
Yeah, that is
easy to
what
understand.
you are not having training account. See, when I started with Dell Boomi, no, I had a training account. This Dell Boomi user only UI only have changed it now. Like
Okay.
last January, they updated everything, and all the certifications what I have done also is gone in that only because I stored the certifications there only.
Okay.
Only I think 2 or 3 certifications which I have screenshot that is left out with me. But they have changed the whole UI and my account is also refreshed. Everybody's account, whoever is working in Boomi, whole Boomi entire thing is rebuilt again, the UI thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah, that is what happened. That is one good thing. Again, if you're doing any certifications in Boomi, inside Boomi, better take screenshots or the PDF format of that certificate. Because they'll keep on changing this UIs, and that time they might load the data or they might not the load data. I have sent them to mails to Boomi support asking for my certificates, but still none of them have responded.
Okay.
So that is like gone case only. Yeah.
Chaitra, okay. After completion of the class, we will talk about certifications.
Sorry, I didn't get what you're asking.
Actually, I was about to ask about certifications.
Yeah, certifications is like you're in platform account. Let's say www.boomi.com. Log into your account there. Login. Oh, this is logging into platform account.
Yeah.
Okay, say search train.boomi.com.
Could you please come again, Chaitra?
Train, TRAIN, train.boomi.com. If you don't have training account, you can't do certifications.
Okay, training.
Train, that's it. Train.boomi.com.
Okay.
I think you got this. Yeah. Yeah, you have the training and certification. Yeah. My learning. I'll click on my learning and then log in.
I think it's opening very
slow. Login, yeah. Login.
But here it's showing my learning, but still the page is not open.
Yeah, I think you have to log in. Yeah, login. Yeah. Enter your email ID and password.
So it should be related to my TCS account.
Yeah. No, if you have to create, I think this TCS account is not accessible to the learning account.
So it should be my personal email?
No, personal email you have to pay for that, Shakti.
Okay.
Company's mail only, you'll have free trial for 1 month.
Mhm.
Personal email, you'll not have that also. You have to pay for that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you log into this training account, you'll have the courses there. Which
Okay.
courses, like related to admin, related to development? What career you are willing to choose, Shakti? Like, is it an admin or like a support role or developer?
Developer, Chetra.
Developer. Okay, then you have to do this associate developer,
Okay.
professional developer. These two courses are good to start with.
Okay.
Yeah.
How this? So I need to sign up before that, Chetra, or
Yeah, do that. Do that. No, usually the companies give you both training account and the work account.
okay. Oh,
Yeah, so carry.
okay. Now I want to open my
Yeah, and try to log in and search like associate developer. First, start off with associate developer,
okay.
and then start with professional. Once you complete, you will get a certificate. You'll have exam also in that. You'll have questions in between.
Okay.
After one concept, you will have questions, and you have to clear one exam for that. At last, you will have an exam.
Mhm.
You have to clear that with in like how many attempts ever you want, you can take.
Okay.
But I would recommend to complete it in 1 or 2 attempts because go through the course again and again and then give an attempt the exam.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first thing I have to take it professional. I should go with professional
Associate. Associate.
associate.
That is basic one first.
Okay.
And then go to professional.
Professional. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Chitra. I will log in my TCS laptop and I will.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye.
Chaitra, and one more thing is, see, even if this my account trial account is, I mean, exhausted,
Okay.
I can write, I can
Yeah,
get
you can go
certificate.
through the certification. I mean, you can go to the course,
Okay.
but the thing is that you can't be able to do it practically. They'll give you some practical examples or practical activity to be completed.
Okay.
That I mean, even then you can complete the course, but it's lost for you only. You can't be able to do it practically. This account will be gone, right? The free
Mm-hmm.
trial account will be gone for
Okay.
30 days. Yeah. In our company, we can renew the training account. I don't know how your organization has done that. You
Okay.
can renew the account again.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, you can renew the account. Once you log into this, no, you show me the page how it looks.
Okay.
You'll have like click the account or renew the account, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
In this training or certification, if you click on that, this TCS account which you are doing the Canvas thing, that also will be upgraded for next 30 days.
Okay.
Yeah. Now first try and log into this,
Okay.
and then see you have that upgrade account. If you don't have upgrade account, it's just for the 30 days, and yeah, you have to complete your certification by then.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else, Shakti?
No, Chaitra.
Okay, are we good to end the session?
Yeah, Chaitra.
Yeah. Thank you.